What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $20 creating a 60-second video. Yes, that's right, $20 for 60 seconds worth of a video. Now, how do you do it? Well, we're going to hop over the computer in just a second. I'm going to show you step by step what software you need, what website you need to go to make this kind of money, how you're going to get paid, and where to find these clients, all right? It's a very simple strategy. It's something a lot of people are using right now. It's something that I've used in the past, and it can make you some money. So let's go. All right, so how does this actually work? How can I make $20 from a 1 minute, a 60-second video? How can I do that? Well, here's the software right here, okay? It's called VideoScribe. It's made by a company called Sparkle. Now, you can go to videoscribe.co and you can check this out, but this is essentially what you're doing. This is essentially what you're creating, all right? So this is what the videos are looking like. Now, they do have sound.
To get your point across could feel like yelling
Okay, but we're not gonna play the sound. But these are the videos that you'd create. You'd create simple videos that are on a whiteboard, okay? So, and all the templates, all the, the images that you're seeing right here, these are things that are already inside a VideoScribe, okay? And this is the exact software that I used to use myself and absolutely loved it. Now, let me show you something. The nice part about VideoScribe, okay, for one, they have a free trial. You can see it right here. Have this free 1 week, 7-day trial, okay? And you don't got to worry about anything. You can test it. You can see if it works. You can see, is there an actual business to be had here? And I guarantee you there is. Here's the next cool thing. With VideoScribe, okay, it costs you $14 a month if you pay for a year in advance, or it's $35 a month for a recurring payment. Now, $14, $168 for an entire year to use this software. I highly recommend it, all right? This right here is a game changer. And in just a second, I'm going to show you how you can actually sell these videos to people that are willing to buy them. So now that I just showed you the strategy, okay, the software you're going to be using, what I want to show you now is where can you go to find these people to pay you for this video. It's something that a lot of people do. I've had people create videos just like this for myself, for my business, for the Homemade Entrepreneur channel. You may have seen them in the past, but it's something that I currently do not do. So I just want to extend this business opportunity for you guys so that you guys know that, okay, this is a great opportunity. You can make money. There's people making money doing this right now, and I'm going to show you exactly where you can go. All right, so let me show you this, all right? You want to know where you go to sell, where you go to find clients to create these types of videos, okay? Go to a website called Fiverr.com, and this is by far the easiest place, okay? Because this is where a lot of people go to outsource different tasks. Whiteboard videos are one of them. This is exactly where I went to find my whiteboard video creator. Now look here. Look at all these, okay? Out of all these, this is one of 48 out of 1,800 different results for whiteboard video. I will create an engaging whiteboard animation and explainer video starting at $20, okay? Look at it, okay? There it is, starting at $20. It's a 90-second runtime, okay? But only 150 words. This is what the guy is creating right here. Now I'm gonna mute that, but this is what he's creating. Okay, just a simple whiteboard style video. Okay, very basic, very simple, something that doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, honestly, to create a 90-second video just like this one that you're seeing right here, it would probably take me, being that I'm not used to doing this and I haven't done it for a little while. It would probably take me about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Let's just say 30 minutes. So in an hour, you would end up making $40 by doing this if you sell 2 different packages. $40 for an hour, that's more than a lot of people make, and I guarantee you $40 an hour is probably gonna change your life, okay? Look at this one right here. I'll make a custom whiteboard video in 24 hours. Okay, I can go and mute this one as well. Okay, there we go. Another whiteboard style video, whiteboard animations. Get your money's worth, all right? Pretty cool. This one right here, $65 for a 30-second animation plus voiceover plus background music plus full HD quality. That's incredible, right? You're thinking, well, who really buys this? Well, you can see right here, 268 people have purchased from this guy. He has 3 orders in queue. Okay, so that means it is working. He is making some money, obviously, right? All right, so you're probably wondering, okay, do people actually pay for this? Is this really a business that, is worth it? Can make me some money? Yes, it is. Let me show you something. This right here, this channel is called Practical Psychology over on YouTube. This channel right here has 1.6 million subscribers, gets a bunch of views. Now, he has created a lot of different videos. This one's 2 years ago. We can see the ones most recent, newest ones. But right here, all of his videos are whiteboard videos, and he creates them himself, okay? I'm pretty sure he creates them himself. He might hire somebody now, but back in the day, he didn't. He did them himself, okay? Look at this. This is just one of his videos, okay? It has sound. How much does the sound off? But this is all it is. He's just creating a simple video. This video was done on April 6th, so over a month ago. But this video has 38,000 views. Okay, 38,000 views on 7 ways your parents raised you wrong. Now, if he paid somebody, let's say, $50 to $100 to create this, because this is a 7.5 minute video. If he paid somebody $100 to create this, how much money do you think he made off 38,000 views? Probably a decent amount, okay? I'd say he probably made, $200 to $300 just from this video, okay? So that's not bad. $200 to $300 is great, but, okay? And that's just using, basic, very simple math. $200 to $300 to create this, okay? Which is minimal. It's very little, okay? So if he made $200 to $300, don't you think he'd benefit by hiring somebody else to create this video for him? For example, this guy here, or this guy here, he's gonna create the video for him. Okay, let's say what's this $50 package right here? This is a 90-second runtime, but there's more stuff. The platinum package, this one right here. Let's see what his premium package is. This one is 60-second animation, 150 words, 2 revisions. Okay. There's a little more stuff, I guess, but that's what it is, okay? Very simple. That's all it is. That's all we're doing. We are just creating videos for other people, okay? That's it. And it's so simple. It's so effective, and it's a great way to make some money. Whether you use, YouTube, you go to Fiverr, whether you find people directly, there's a lot of benefits to creating a whiteboard video. You just have to explain it to your client. Now let me show you something really quick. Now, first, if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Subscribe today. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. But what I want to show you is how you can find people here on YouTube. It's actually pretty simple. Let's say, 10x review. Okay, I actually did one of these. You can see one right here. Okay, let's see if there's another one right here. The Better Men Project, okay? It's an animation. Look at this, okay? Book review animation, okay? All these are animations of book reviews, okay? Here's another one, 1% Better, okay? Here's another one, Fight Mediocrity, okay? Another animated video, another whiteboard style video, another one, okay? All these are animations. Just think, could you target some of these channels that, how to animate, probably not, Fight Mediocrity or your great one. Could you target some of these people that are creating these style of videos? Yes. And let them know, hey, I read this book, this new one from Tony Robbins, or a new one from Russell Brunson, or I read this book from Dr. Seuss. Could I do an animated video for it? Do a whiteboard style video? Maybe they say yes, kind of what are you looking for, and you can say, hey, I either want, my affiliate link inside your description, or I want to be paid, $50 for, it's going to be probably between a 6 to 10 minute long video. And a lot of them be like, well, how about we do affiliate links, or how about I just pay you this, and you decide, you negotiate, and you go from there. It's that simple, and that's one of the things that I highly recommend you do if you want to make money right now in 2019 online. This is a great opportunity. Again, go check it out. It's called VideoScribe, okay? You can go to Fiverr.com and figure out, okay, how much should you charge? What should you offer? And is it a viable business? I guarantee you it is, but you have to put in the work. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. I want to give you some tips before you go. The first tip that I have for you guys, doing this, okay, creating a whiteboard style video is something that a lot of people are not used to yet. They don't understand how it could benefit their business, could benefit themselves, okay? It gives the person more time to do something else besides creating a video. So that's one benefit. How can it benefit their business? A little sales pitch, a little sales video that they couldn't create themselves, or they couldn't create because they just didn't want to or didn't want to be on camera. That's another benefit, all right? That's where you come in. So educate people on what you can do for them, not just, hey, I charge less than everybody else. That might not be the reason why they're not going after your service. The reason they might not be going after it is because they don't know how it benefits them. So explain to them, educate them on how you can benefit them and their business. The second tip is make sure that you offer some type of guarantee, some type of revision policy. What I mean by this is, when I had a whiteboard creator create videos for me, what happened was he put a lot of text that I didn't want. He put a lot of images that I didn't like and that he could prove that they didn't have a copyright on. Okay, so he did a lot of that stuff. So we had to go back and he had to do some revisions. If you don't offer any revisions, what happens is the people that are thinking about paying you aren't going to, because they're worried about, well, what if I don't like it? Well, you can just combat that that issue right off the bat and let them know. You don't have to worry if you don't like it, because if you don't like it, then I just remake it. I fix it. I revise it. I change it for you. Alright? So that's my next tip. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.